everyone, it's 4:30 and it's our time to go live and have some chat like always every evening. Hope your high tea is ready and you're ready to have some nice chat about the 3 M's today with Khushbu Garewal. Yes, the 3 M's, that is music, meditation and motivation. These are the all 3 M's that we need right now to pass our quarantine. Hello Abin. Hello Sonia Chauhan. Hello Anuradha. Oh wow, nice outfit. Thank you, Rajesh. I'm glad you like the outfit. Do you like my neck piece too? I knew you would like it. Hi, Akash. So while we are saying our highs and hellos, I hope you all have your questions ready. Abin Sadeja, you want to meditate? Yes, you can ask all about meditation because music and meditation both go hand in hand. Yes, Mandy, you're the first one to join. I'm so happy. Don't worry, on your chat at 7 o'clock, I'll be the first one to join. Actually, I'll be the first one to join at 5:32. जैसे मैं यहाँ से ख़त्म करूँगी आपके chat पे आ जाऊँगी. I hope your questions are ready. And Khushbu takes a little long to get ready, but also her net was giving her some technical glitch. So she had told us that she's going to be late by like 5 minutes. But I didn't want you all to be waiting because I knew it's 4:30 and you all will be right here with your questions. And also हमें भी कुछ टाइम मिल जाता है हेलो हाय बोलने का पहले. So I was like मैं तो 4:30 बजे आप लोग के साथ हाई टी के लिए रेडी हूँ. एंड यस, चली दुनिया हाय. कैसे चल रही है आपकी दुनिया टेलीविज़न की, हमें भी बताइए. And Deepak Kalra has also joined in. Deepak is going to join us very soon for a live chat. अभी Mr. Ladi थोड़े busy हैं with his cooking videos and interview videos, but he's going to join us very soon. Right, Ladi? Am I correct? Hello, Kinita. How is your motivation going with all the diet and nutrition? हाँ, आज 5:30 नहीं है, आज है सिर्फ 7 बजे. Mandy, I'm all set with the questions. I hope you're ready with all the questions. You know ना, you're the so-called off moderator of my chat today, like we were just chatting. So while everyone is questioning what do you all like about music, what is your favorite music during the times of quarantine? I love Bollywood music. And Khushbu started her career as a VJ and an anchor for Before You, and after that she obviously did a lot of acting assignments. But then she also trained to be a playback singer, and she started her career with Pink Lips song, which is a part of Hate Story, and Sunny Leone is dancing on Pink Lips. It was a very famous song. It still is a very famous song. You can go on YouTube and listen to her cover. Hi, Dr. Joe. So, yeah, Mandy, you better be ready to meditate and to dance. And also ask a lot of questions, otherwise you get no high tea. Hello Sushant, hello Melinda. And I think Khushbu हो रही है ready. 4:35 बज चुका है, हमारी चाय भी रेडी है, हमारे क्वेश्चंस भी रेडी है, और हमने खुशबू को रिक्वेस्ट भी भेज दी है. तो if internet doesn't act funny, she should be here really soon. Kapoors are not here as they prepare for your high tea. You see, I'm the special one. So first I get high tea, you get high tea post quarantine. Hello Noor. You know, right now Khushbu's also been writing a lot of poems, and 2 of her poems she has uploaded on Instagram, where you can go and see it. Khushbu Garewal, as you all know, is her handle. And they're beautiful poems which are perfectly written for the times of quarantine, because while quarantine the best thing is everyone is being creative, and Khushbu's right here. Hi Khushbu, welcome on our chat. Let us send Khushbu a request. Okay, request time. Oh, suddenly we have Vivek Kapoor in the house. This happens when you do the internet इधर उधर. एक मिनट, मैं खुशबू को रिक्वेस्ट भेज रही हूँ. And there we have sent the request. And we're just waiting for her to accept it. Yes, Dr. Joe, it's not that funny. Hello!
Hello, what's up? How you doing?
I am good. How are you, ma'am? The 3
Absolutely.
M's.
Absolutely fine. Thank you.
I
Three
can see
M's
what
with
three.
Miss Roira.
Yes, I can see the three M's ka glow on your face during the time of quarantine.
But I have to start by telling you that hats off to you to come out and do a live every single day. I think you have been doing a live every single day, and it takes a lot of mehnat and so much preparation and getting the guests together and coordinating all of that. My God, amazing. So, three cheers, man. So, एक
Thank
एम की
you.
मोटिवेशन तो के बारे में तो तुम ही बात करोगी because to be motivated to do this every single day, it's amazing.
Now the thing is, y'all have so much to share with people, and I want these viewers to know how y'all are motivating yourselves. So थोड़ी learning जैसे मुझे तुम लोग से सीखने को मिल रही है, मैं उनके साथ भी तो
Oh,
share करूँ कि how
बिल्कुल,
blessed I am to have y'all
absolutely.
around.
No, and Shweta, you yourself have such amazing and inspiring stories to share with everyone. And I'm sure you must have been sharing them. But as we speak of our journey today, we'd love to also hear, and I'd also like all those people who are chatting with us to know what your motivating stories because they're amazing.
Thank you. But today we'll stick to your motivating stories
Okay,
because maybe we can have another continue up another live session where we again continue discussing because I'm sure you're going
absolutely.
to continue writing the lovely poems you're writing, the lovely songs you're singing. So this is just the first live. There will be many
Yes,
more lives that are going to
absolutely,
continue.
absolutely. And starting with the song that is dedicated to Shweta. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा टुन 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 टुन। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर का ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे मन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नगमे की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया हो एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा।
Oh my God, you have just made my quarantine moments more memorable. Thank you so
So,
much.
no problem. I thought let's start on a musical note.
Oh, this was amazing. Like, I couldn't stop smiling. And I
Oh,
am Shower Ali saying beautiful voice. Yes, I totally agree with you, Shower
thank you
Bhai.
so much, Shawarji.
Mandy saying amazing voice. And
Thank you,
hearts are the
Mandy.
flowing all over.
Yes, New
And
Zealand, I will be coming soon. पहले सबसे पहले ये COVID situation ठीक हो जाए and everybody hopefully gets okay fast. The economy recovers, and I'm sure the concerts and the tours are going to continue. And I'm looking forward to New Zealand. Is actually it's one on top of my bucket list. So I hope to come to New Zealand soon, whether it's for work or not. But I will be coming to New Zealand soon. So that is for sure.
so, where was the last concert that you did before the COVID hit
So
us?
7th March was my last gig, which was in Delhi. And so, Shweta, coincidentally, as soon as we wrapped up 7th March gig, we had like a long gap because the off season was starting. And, I think COVID came at a time when it turned out to be, a blessing for us at that point because our season was over by
Yeah.
then. Had it come a little earlier, it would have really hit us in a bad way because, we had shows booked all over, last month and the month before that. So, हमारा anyway off season शुरू होने वाला था and ये announcement हो गई lockdown की. So we were like, my God. So I was anyway going to be home because of the off season, but I didn't think I'm going to be so much home. Yeah.
So, Bombay Blues is asking when is your next gig in Mumbai?
Well,
फिलहाल तो
right now,
ऑनलाइन गिग ही होंगे.
I know right now we are all talking about virtual concerts, so you can actually book me for a virtual concert if you want, and I can perform for you on,
And I
on
shall
your
post the
phone.
story and buy the
Yes,
ticket and make everyone buy the ticket. So we've told you
absolutely,
what to do if you want the next gig.
absolutely. So I think, it's gonna be a while before people actually start having
ओके रुकावट के लिए थोड़ी खेद है. आई थिंक उनका इंटरनेट वापस थोड़ा फन याद कर रहा है. गोल गोल हमारा घूम रहा है इंटरनेट. बफर कर रहा है. But till then, you can keep your questions going because we have a little internet glitch right now. Uh-oh. So while we wait, Balwinder, good evening. soon, but you have to wait till then. And oh no, Khushbu has left, but I think she's gonna come back. I hope her internet comes back because we definitely want to hear some more of music and some more of meditation and motivation during quarantine. Hello, Bhupi. Let's try sending her another request. Okay, she is offline, so hopefully she should be here very soon. So, Mandy, what do you have to say about Mirchi Awards? You know, you've seen it all. Do you have anything to say till she comes back? Prithvi Singh, hello. Hello, Yashul Shah. तो प्रॉब्लम यही है आजकल जिस तरह इंटरनेट चल रहा है हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है बिसाइड्स हम दूरदर्शन देश की तरह से कह सकते हैं रुकावट के लिए खेल है that's all we can do and yes Khushbu is back not bad let's again go live with her and we have Sen waiting for Khushbu KG to join and we are connecting Take 2 welcome back
जाती हूँ मैं
जल्दी है
क्या धड़के जिया ना 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 ये क्यों बता
All thanks to Wi-Fi.
इंटरनेट कटने लगा है कनेक्शन खराब हुआ है
इस कनेक्शन का
इंस्टा में आएंगे तो इंटरनेट खराब होगा जाती हूँ मैं जल्दी है क्या धड़के जिया ये क्यों बता
Okay, the take 2 was better than the take 1 also. So I'm very happy. बोलते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए
होता है बिल्कुल और जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा we should all remember that
forever. So while you were gone, a lot of people were saying please Canada भी आना. So I told her आपके भी पे already कि yes Canada में भी concert होगा हर जगह you will travel post.
In fact हमने Canada में एक concert किया था last year which was Mississauga's biggest Bollywood mashup, like a Bollywood night. It's called Bollywood Monster Mashup. And we had over 30,000 Indians who came and attended that concert. And it was a thrilling experience to be amongst so many Indians who don't reside in India. And you know, they have a, hi Shana, you can come in. They have a soft corner for India because they've left their country. So they miss their country. They miss their culture. They miss their vibe. So all those people who are watching us from out of India, I know that Bollywood is a big connect for you, and we will come to your cities and countries very soon. Yes, Shana.
So Bombay Blues
Bum Bole
tells
Joker.
us...
Bum Bole Joker is making an appearance on our show.
Oh,
say hi, Bum
Shania
Bole
also
Joker.
make an appearance and tell us hi.
Shania, say hi.
Hi, Shania. How are you?
How are you? She's asking.
Oh, Bum Bole is looking so cute.
Yes.
So Bombay Blues is telling us, love the pun you made with the net connectivity, and we are the ones who absolutely had fun. Yes, totally. She is somebody who always motivates everyone around just by smiling, and her infectious smile just spreads everywhere. That is something I totally agree.
I think, you know, in the situation that we are in, we honestly don't have too much option. Like I always say, when you're given lemons, you make the lemonade. And then whether you make your lemonade sweet or sour is totally in your hands. So I choose to make my lemonade sweet because I love sweet things. So
And what is a song that you like listening to when you make this lemonade?
You know, I actually love all sorts of music. So I sometimes just leave it to Alexa to just decide to play. Alexa, play whatever you like. So she just sometimes plays whatever she likes. But, you know, on this thought that we're talking about how, you know, life throws all sorts of situations at you. There's a song that I'd like to sing for that. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे well and this is actually true कि हम हमारी खुशियां हमारे गम इतने एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स के साथ जोड़ देते हैं कि अगर वो ये नहीं कर रहा तो हम दुखी हो गए अगर वो ये नहीं कह रहा तो हम दुखी हो गए अगर लाइफ में ये नहीं मिल रहा तो हम दुखी हो गए अगर लाइफ में वो नहीं मिल रहा तो हम नाराज हो गए कि हमने अपनी सुख और दुख के जो रेन्स हैं वो सारी दुनिया के हाथ में दिए हुए हैं चीजों के हाथ में दिए हुए हैं and I think this is the time. Hi Arisha is a very ardent follower of mine who's always constantly in touch with me And Arisha, thanks for joining. And Sani ji, कैसे हैं आप? So, I feel जो हमारी खुशियों के जो reins हैं, वो हमारी हाथ में ही होने चाहिए. And we should be able to decide whether, we want to feel happy today or sad today. It should not be in anybody else's hands or any other thing's hands, Like so many times we keep saying, हम लोगों से पूछते हैं कि तुम्हारा लाइफ में ambition क्या है, goal क्या है, या जो भी.
Yeah, that's
So,
a standard question, when you tell somebody, it's like, अच्छा ये तो ठीक है, but तुम्हारा ambition क्या है, तुम्हारा goal क्या है?
Yeah, absolutely. And we don't even realize as humans that we attach our pursuit of success or our pursuit of happiness with materialistic things. That we say कि I would have arrived in life the day I have so and so car, or the day I have a house in such a place. And in the pursuit of achieving that, we actually forget the real purpose of our life. Why are we really even here? So I think this lockdown has served that purpose of a spiritual introspection for all of us, where we have got time to really think about what is our purpose. यार हम क्या करने आए हैं? हम लोगों को जैसे मुझे तो पता है, मैं तो नचाने आई हूँ लोगों को. मेरा काम है नचाना.
और वो आप बहुत अच्छे से करते
बढ़ गई गल बढ़ गई मुंडिया दी कुड़िया दी अख लड़ गई अख लड़ गई. No, but on a serious note, I feel all of us, if we are not contributing in each other's lives, in society, in some way, then, and if we're just solely living for ourselves and our goals are only for ourselves, they're only personal goals, then it's not a holistic life. And I think that is something that is very, very important for all of us to think about, So,
yeah, because it's very important to live in the moment. Like you said, we make goals कि गाड़ी मिले, ये मिले. जब वो मिल जाती है तो आप दूसरा गोल
और
सेट
आगे
कर लेते हो.
सही
तो
बात
आप जर्नी
बिल्कुल
कब
सही.
एंजॉय करोगे लाइफ में?
बिल्कुल it's a never ending chase. We are constantly chasing something or the other. So yeah, but I guess I just hope that जो lessons हम यहाँ घर बैठ के सीख रहे हैं और सब साधु बन गए हैं, वो लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद भी हम वैसे ही
मेंटेन करें
उनको साथ के रहेंगे
और भूल नहीं जाएं.
Absolutely.
So there is somebody saying, Bombay Blues is saying that after quarantine सबको उड़ना है, सबको बाहर जाना है. So if you could sing 2 lines of फिर से उड़ चला, because he's just requesting अगर आप वो गा सको तो हमारे लिए, especially for him.
उससे I'd like to sing some other song if he gives me the permission.
Oh yes.
आज कल पाँव ज़मीं पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे, आज कल पाँव ज़मीं पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे, ना 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 है कभी तुमने मुझे उड़ते हुए, आज कल पाँव ज़मीं पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे.
Thank you. This is so true. ये हमारे साथ होने वाला है. The butterflies are just going to get to our antenna. We're going to fly around.
और जो आज की हमारी सिचुएशन के लिए है, वो गाना है अंदर से कोई बाहर न जा सके, बाहर से कोई अंदर न आ सके, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, सोचो कभी ऐसा हो तो क्या हो, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो
और
खांसी आ जाए, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और खांसी आ जाए, तेरी खांसी और चीखों के चक्कर में ना कोविड आ जाए, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए.
This is a brilliant take on COVID, and obviously with one of the most famous songs of Rishi Sir and written by Anand Sir. So it is one of my favorite songs, Bobby movie का.
Yes, I know. जब से COVID शुरू हुआ है, तब से कोई ना कोई bad news आ ही रही है non-stop. So I just hope that ये जो खराब time है, ये जल्दी जल्दी चला जाए और अच्छा वाला time आ जाए. Meetu, my dearest Meetu from our team at Artistic Talent Management has joined us. Hi Meetu.
So from Shiba to Dr. Rasna to everyone, they are all saying what I totally agree with them. I second them. Beautiful voice. वो तो कोई शक ही नहीं है.
Thank you so much.
So
Well,
अभी
हम
आपने मिर्ची अवार्ड्स भी किए थे, right?
correct, correct.
And coming from Shamak and then doing it with Meet Brothers, and also you
Yeah.
had a very nostalgic moment and
Yeah.
everything. So if you can tell us about the Mirchi Awards.
So, this was back in 2002 that I did Shamak in Chandigarh when Shamak got his classes to Chandigarh. Summer funk करते
हाँ
हैं
हाँ
Shamak
हाँ,
हर जगह या. So सारे शहरों के सब बच्चों ने I think summer funk life में एक बार तो किया ही हुआ है.
आप
So
मैंने भी किया है.
हाँ हाँ सबने किया है. So I remember तब Channel V Popstars हुआ ही था and I participated in Channel V Popstars and Shamak was a part of the panel at Channel V Popstars and I was selected from Chandigarh and I'd come to Bombay for that. This was in 2002. And immediately after that, Shamak's first summer funk came to Chandigarh, and Shamak spotted me over there, and he said, "My Chandigarh pop star." And तब से जो हमारी एक एक bonding हुई, because after that I joined every summer funk, then I got promoted to SPB, then I went for the Commonwealth Games with Shamak and his troupe. Chandni Bhagat, a very very dear friend blogger, a wonderful mom blogger who spreads a lot of awareness about a lot of mommy things, is also joining us right now. Chandni, so good to see you. Mwah.
Hello, Mom in the Bay.
So to and I remember when we were growing up and we used to hear stories of कि शाहिद ने ताल में पीछे डांस किया था and अभी देखो शाहिद आगे डांस करता है, like he was just one of the backup dancers and today he is Sushant Singh Rajput, Sushant and we were together at the Commonwealth Games. अरे यार सुशांत पीछे डांस करता था और आज देखो सुशांत award nights में. So you used to look at all these stories and used to like, wow man, it's so surreal. It must be so surreal for them to feel like this. And having been there, done that, been a part of that troupe, which supports all these Bollywood celebrities and artists at these award shows, and been there at the back, and suddenly to be there in the forefront and be the frontliner of the act, it was more surreal because I was surrounded by Shamak's dancers. So that, and Shamak was choreographing me. So it was just, and when he would say, okay, now Khushbu's entry, Khushbu's gonna come from there, and it was like such an amazing moment for me, Kya Shamak is choreographing my act, my entry. So it was just beautiful, yeah. It's just beautiful. I mean, I think it's can't thank God enough. God has been extremely kind
That's true.
because we all dream of so many wonderful things, and how many of our dreams really do get fulfilled. So I think when they do, and when you see them in front of your eyes, you should not forget gratitude in your heart. I think that is the most important thing.
Yes, attitude of gratitude is really important.
Absolutely.
And hearing your story, we know you follow it like religiously. तो
Absolutely.
gratitude पे कुछ गाना हो जाए.
Uh, uh,
So Mandy saying you all nailed it. You and Meet Brothers nailed the Mirchi Awards completely, and God bless you. And it's time for another break. खुशबू के नेट ने वापस उन्हें छोटा सा धोखा दे दिया है, तो उनका नेट वापस बफर हो रहा है. In the meantime, it's just you and me. And while the net is gone, I'm sure you have heard the chat and you also
check.
believe. And Khushbu is back with us.
Okay, you'll have to give me some ideas for a gratitude song. Let me think.
सोचो.
So, I just sang "Ae Malik Tere Bande Hum," and I just
Perfect.
released a version of that. So I'm gonna sing that. देवता तू है इंसान है हम, तू हकीकत है हम है भरम. देवता तू है इंसान है हम, तू हकीकत है हम है भरम. जो खता हम कर तू मिटाता चले, तेरी माफी में इतना है दम. हर दुआ से हर दवा से बड़ी है दुआ, इसलिए कर रहे इल्तिजा. कर दे तू फैसला, मोड़ दे ये बला, इस घड़ी में सुरक्षित हो हम. ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम.
I think perfect gratitude wala song, because at the end of the day we need to surrender to him. We have to thank him for everything.
Absolutely. And I think जहाँ तक कि हम मेडिटेशन की बात करते हैं, तो म्यूजिक से बड़ा मेडिटेशन मेरे लिए और कुछ नहीं है. And I think बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए we always feel कि यार मुझसे मेडिटेट नहीं होता है यार, मैं ध्यान नहीं लगा पाती हूँ, या मुझसे बैठा ही नहीं जाता, आई एम अ रेस्टलेस पर्सन, आई कांट सिट एंड मेडिटेट। मेडिटेट लोगों को लगता है कि आप बस पेड़ के नीचे जाके बैठ के साधु बन गए और कुछ बोल नहीं रहे। दैट इज नॉट मेडिटेशन। मेडिटेशन इज एनीथिंग that takes you away from this materialistic superficial world and transports you into another spiritually evolved, into a world where you're away from all the tensions, all the stresses. And I think music, we don't even realize how subconsciously for all of us music plays that part so beautifully. You put on some music and there, some melodies, some tunes, some lyrics have the ability to transport you in another world, and that is meditation यार। meditation और क्या है कि आपका ध्यान हट गया सब टेंशन से, स्ट्रेस से, और आप मोमेंट में चले गए, आप ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गए इन अनदर वर्ल्ड, और आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो, आप मगन हो गए, आप अपने में मस्त हो गए। तो वही मेडिटेशन है यार। इतने सारे जो मेडिटेशन आश्रम्स हैं वहां पे यही करते हैं, म्यूजिक चला के एवरीबडी इज जस्ट इन देयर ओन जोन। So music, I think, is the biggest form of meditation. So if you think that मैं मेडिटेट नहीं कर सकती या नहीं कर सकता, वो एक भ्रम है आपका। आप अच्छा म्यूजिक लगाइए, अपने आंखें बंद करके उस म्यूजिक को एंजॉय करिए और मग्न हो जाइए और दुनिया को भूल जाइए, तो वही मेडिटेशन है। दैट्स इट।
जैसे अगर देखा जाए तो हमारा ये शायद मेडिटेशन ही है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू आर सिंगिंग the melody is just making us transport to a happy space, and meditation is all about that, being happy.
लैला मैं लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला, हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला, जिसको भी देखूं दुनिया भुला दूं, मजनू बना दूं, ऐसी हूँ लैला। लैला मैं लैला लैला ऐसी हूँ लैला, हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला।
देखा, हो गया ना, हम खुश हो गया मेडिटेशन। So, there are old songs, and right now we are in an age where there is only remix of the old songs.
Yeah. Like Laila is also one of them.
Exactly. और क्योंकि आपने ये गाना गाया, so that was actually my next question. तो ऐसा अरे ये तो apt हो गया, पूछ रहे हैं इसके बारे में. So what do you have to say, like, because you love music, you've heard them, you are a part of the new remix.
Yes.
So how is it different? How is the whole change?
So, I think everything has its pros and cons. So, like, the other day we went for a show जहाँ पे बहुत ही mixed age group के लोग थे, और जहाँ पे बहुत ही छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी थे। It was a corporate show, family day था for a big corporate show, and elders भी थे जो maybe 50s 60s में होंगे। You'll be surprised, songs like गुलाबी आंखें and लैला ओ लैला, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को ये गाने आते थे। अब आप पूछोगे क्यों आते थे? क्योंकि ये सारे गाने दोबारा आए हैं, अलग नजरिए से आए हैं, अलग म्यूजिक के साथ आए हैं, राइट? सो सीमा, माय डार्लिंग सीमा,
Yes, Seema, hello.
हाय सीमा। So like I said, हर एक चीज के pros and cons होते हैं। Of course, I'm somebody who is totally in favor of original music, and I feel there is nothing like original music. But at the same time, to revive an old song and bring it back again and give it life again is also an art. But how we package that old song and how we refurbish it, उसको करने के दो तरीके होते हैं। या तो आप उसको ओरिजिनल से ज्यादा बुरा बना देते हो, या आप उसको ओरिजिनल से ज्यादा अच्छा बना देते हो, राइट? सो पर अगेन, श्वेता, म्यूजिक एक ऐसी चीज है which is very personal to each one of us. So you can't have thank you so much, Seema. Thank you for your compliments. So you can't have a generic rule कि हाँ भाई, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि मेरे को गाना जो अच्छा ना लगा वो आपको पसंद आया, और आपको लगाओ कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा रीमिक्स निकला था। So कोई हर्ज नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से अगर हम टाइम एंड अगेन अपनी पुरानी मेलोडीज को रीविजिट करते रहे और उनको वापस लेकर आते रहे, ताकि हमारी नई जनरेशन को भी हमारे पुराने गाने पता हो, बिकॉज दोज मेलोडीज वर एवरग्रीन एंड देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई दे आर कमिंग बैक, बिकॉज दे आर ब्यूटीफुल मेलोडीज, दे आर टाइमलेस मेलोडीज. But at the same time, we have to value and understand the purity of those melodies and bring them with that kind of a purity again. I think that's just what it is. अब जिस तरह के videos भी बनते हैं, sometimes it's not doing justice to the original song. So I think if we just keep that in mind and respect these old timeless melodies, I think that's good enough.
Okay, since we're talking about the old melodies and
Yes.
the beauty of them, so I know it's very difficult for a music lover to choose on songs, but
Yes.
एक पुरानी melody, soothing melody को अगर 2 lines हम हमारे viewers के लिए गा लें तो
So this one's for you again. For this ever smiling face.
Thank you.
हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फे रंग सुनहरा, तेरी जवानी तौबा तौबा रे, दिलरुबा 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 दिलरुबा, हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फे रंग सुनहरा, तेरी जवानी तौबा तौबा रे, दिलरुबा दिलरुबा.
And we again have a little choo break while Khushbu is waiting for her Wi-Fi to connect. But I must say, आज का life तो मेरे लिए दिल खुश life है क्योंकि मुझे इतने dedications मिल रहे हैं with the beautiful voice and the beautiful songs. How better could my day get? तो जब तक इंटरनेट वेट कर रहा है, आप अपने सवाल जारी रखिए क्योंकि ये साइड का इंटरनेट तो चल रहा है. Hopefully she should join चेहरा. And her net has taken her away for a while, but I'm sure she's going to be back soon, like she was back after our last 2 breaks. Parjapati Leon Singh, yes, हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फे रंग सुनहरा, तौबा तौबा दिलरुबा. That's exactly the song she sang. Shivang Parekh, hey. Sayyid Ahmad Sharik, yes. Okay, Rave underscore RK, high heel song, we shall request to her once she comes. Santosh Narayan 98, ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, है सदगुरु है भगवान, मुझको तेरे पे है दाता मन, तू ही आन मेरी, तू ही शान मेरी, तू ही जीवन है, तू ही प्रदान है. Yes, that is also a song that we can ask her to sing for us, but अब सिर्फ होप करें कि उनका नेट चल रहा हो और वो वापस आ जाए. Otherwise, we will have to keep this for another day. Though we had a great time with us. तो देखें आज इंटरनेट हमें अलाउ करता है कि हमें ये चैट सेकंड सीक्वल करनी पड़ेगी. तो लेट्स वेट एंड सी. अरे संतोष जी, हम फैंस का तो ध्यान रखते ही हैं. हेलो जोरांश, हाय. Revat Kapoor, okay, I got your name is Revat Kapoor, and so I'll keep it noted for the next time live sessions that you come in for. So we shall just wait for 2-3 minutes. What are the other songs that you want her to sing for you all? And what are the questions I want to ask? Because I think जो उन्होंने कहा वो बहुत सही है, that music does transport us. जैसे for me, it does make a difference whenever I play music. I really enjoy. Bollywood songs is something that I really love. What are the kind of songs that you really like? What is a song that you are listening to in times of foreign time? Zoransh is saying that he's going to catch us live soon. Yes, Zoransh, we have to do a live session really soon, and especially क्योंकि आपके वहाँ आपकी सिडनी तो खुल चुकी है और हम बॉम्बे में लॉकडाउन में बैठे हैं. So let's know the difference बॉम्बे और सिडनी में क्या चल रहा है. So, okay, I think Khushbu is back, and let's send her another request. We are waiting for Khushbu to join us. And we are connecting. Welcome back!
Hi, thank you. I'm so sorry, there's some issue with my network today.
No,
So,
I think it's perfect. हम जब प्रोग्राम भी करते हैं बीच बीच में एड ब्रेक्स होती रहती है, तो जब आप जाते हो हम रुकावट के लिए खेत बोल के आपस में बात कर लेते हैं till you come back. So it's completely
जब
okay.
कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा, न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
This is my favorite song of
It
Vinod
it is
Khanna from
it's
Jurm.
amazing. It is
And every
amazing.
time I hear this song, it just makes me happy.
Yeah, I know. It's an amazing song. I think it's one of those timeless songs कि आप कहीं पे भी किसी के भी साथ गा दो and they're going to be very happy, to hear it. So I think, yeah,
But that is what friendship and our relations are, that's what we keep telling each
yes,
one of us, hold our back when we need it the most.
absolutely. चाहे वाईफाई हो चाहे ना हो, तुम देना साथ मेरा.
Absolutely.
Yes. So what were we
So,
talking
you
about?
started with being a VJ, शामक का time था,
Correct.
आप VJ पे थे, you started your career on B4U as a, hi, Shania, hi again.
Yes,
And
that's
then
right.
after that, you've done a lot of acting projects, and then you started with training yourself as a singer, and then you did your debut with Pink Lips.
हाँ जी.
So कैसे हुआ ये, like अचानक singing, and then
यार
and from there.
श्वेता, मैं बचपन से I was inclined towards music. I had been a part of reality shows like Channel V Pop Stars, which was a music related channel show. So कीड़ा तो था शुरू से, बचपन से स्कूल में गाती थी, कॉलेज में गाती थी, फ्री पीरियड होता था, टीचर नहीं आती थी तो कौन गाएगा, खुशबू गाएगी. तो वो एक कीड़ा था, पर कभी फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली थी as such. Then I came to Bombay. Then I did my postgrad. I did my MBA in marketing and HR, and I was about to join Horlicks as their junior brand manager. And my mother-in-law actually told my husband that I can't imagine Khushbu doing a desk job. She's not born to do that. She's not made for that, and she'd be wasting her life. So she needs to do something bigger, and she needs to go and achieve big dreams. So that's when my husband and I decided that we'll come to Bombay, and we came here, and I started doing whatever came my way. VJing happened. I was VJing for about 7 years. Acting happened. And then at a party, we were friends with the Meet brothers. हम लोग काफी सालों से family friends हैं. At a party, at a karaoke party, they heard me singing, and they were blown. They were like, "You have such a powerful voice. You're in sur, you're in tal. What are you doing with your life? Forget everything else. Just get into music, chup chap." And I didn't take it seriously. And then I was hosting shows. तो मेरे एक hosting show में वो लोग as singers perform कर रहे थे by chance. It was an ICICI का show in Delhi. तो मैं स्टेज पे गा भी रही थी, मस्ती भी कर रही थी, एंड तो उन्होंने दोबारा मुझे लेक्चर दिया खूब लंबा चौड़ा शो खत्म होने के बाद कि भाई दिस इज नॉट डन. तुम अपना टैलेंट वेस्ट कर रही हो, एंड इफ यू डोंट लिसन टू अस हमारी दोस्ती टूट जाएगी, सो यू हैव टू डू.
Oh.
हाँ, मतलब लिटरली धमकी थी ऐसी. तो उसके बाद दे कॉल्ड मी वन ऑफ दोज डेज कि यार एक स्क्रैच है, वी नीड अ फीमेल वॉइस और अभी अर्जेंटली भेजना है भूषण जी को, और अभी कोई लड़की नहीं है अवेलेबल, तुम सबसे पास रहती है, आई यूज्ड टू स्टे राइट बिहाइंड द स्टूडियो. सो दे सेड फटाफट से आके गाना गा दो. मैं गई, मैंने गाना गा दिया, और 2 दिन में पता लग गया कि पिंक लिप्स सनी लियोनी पे रिलीज हो रहा है, एंड दैट song I had sung. And I was like,
Wow.
what are you saying? It was just like that. So I was like, what are you saying? So, yeah, man. So it was, तो वो जब गाना आया श्वेता, उसके बाद I started taking it seriously that okay, now I am a singer, now I'm a playback singer. So it was like that. बहुत टाइम से किसी का high heels का request आ रहा है, so I'm actually going
हाँ.
to sing that. Uh, इसका start, I'm not being able to remember
मेरे
the
दिमाग में क्या
starting
है
bit.
ना, अभी पिंक लिप्स चल रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम है, you're saying हाई हील, तो मैं आया पिंक
हाई
लिप्स,
हील
पिंक
ते
लिप्स.
नचे ता तू बड़ी जचे, हाई हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जचे, एक एक ठुमके ते 100 100 ताड़ियां, हिले जद लक मेरा हिलदी है वाड़ियां, एक एक ठुमके ते 100 100 ताड़ियां, हिले जद लक मेरा हिलदी है वाड़ियां, 24 घंटे रुंदे रहंदे मेरे अगे पिछे, मेरे अगे पिछे, मेरे अगे पिछे, जद हाई हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जचे, हाई हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जचे. वेल, हमारी हाई हील्स को लगता है कि हमारी डेथ हो गई है, बिकॉज
आई स्वेयर.
हमारी हाई हील्स हमें मिस कर रही है.
वो एक
एंड
पैरों चप्पल ही चल रहे हैं.
मैं एक्चुअली सोच रही थी ताकि हील्स खराब ना हो कि मैं हर रोज एक पैर निकाल के घर में वॉक करूंगी एटलीस्ट 10 राउंड, सो ताकि माय हील्स डोंट गेट स्पॉइल्ड. बट Yeah, I'm missing my heels though. My high heels.
So Shania and your post we keep seeing. Is there a nice Shania and Mama song that you'll keep singing and enjoying too?
Yes. What song?
What song is that, Shania?
Many songs.
अच्छा तो एक कौन सा song Shania you'll sing for us now with Mama? No, please. Okay, will we hear you soon? Or a poem? Will you say a poem for us? Recite something? Mm-hmm.
Should we sing
Okay.
Twinkle Twinkle? Let's sing Twinkle Twinkle. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Wonder what you are.
We have a message from Santosh
Wow.
Narayan. सुंदर पाजी तबला प्लेयर को जान हाँ जी नमस्ते संतोष जी नाइस टू गेट इन टच विद यू ओवर हियर नमस्ते आई होप एवरीथिंग इज ओके विद यू हाँ जी so that was Shania singing Twinkle Twinkle.
So, singing happened. पहले तो we should thank Meet Brothers that they were at it. नहीं तो we would have lost on so many good songs that we keep hearing. Like even now, we've been seeing the beautiful covers that you've been uploading, and you've been writing poems also right now
Yes,
while
that's
quarantine.
right.
So there's this new poem that you've just uploaded.
Yes.
So if you can tell us a few lines or recite something from that for us.
So I'd actually like everybody to go and watch it. It's on my page, but I'll just tell you the premise of that poem. So, I honestly didn't really think कि मैं कुछ लिखना चाहती हूँ या इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में मैं अपने अंदर का कवि निकालना चाहती हूँ ऐसा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था थॉट्स कई बार दिमाग में आ जाती हैं आई डोंट इवन नो कि मैं लॉकडाउन के बाद दोबारा कभी कुछ लिखूंगी भी कि नहीं बट कई बार आपके दिमाग में कुछ थॉट्स आ जाती हैं आई थिंक हम लोगों के पास क्योंकि अभी इतना टाइम है हम लोग घर पे हैं डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत कम है श्वेता so you're actually being able to do whatever you're doing it with full शिद्दत so I think उससे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज हो रही है कि हम फुल मेहनत से जो चीज कर रहे हैं वो अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं तो जो झाड़ू कर रहा है वो अच्छे से झाड़ू कर रहा है वो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड नहीं है जो खाना बना रहा है वो अच्छे से खाना बना रहा है समझ
सब वो मोमेंट में है
हाँ
actually, which is the thing which we need
absolutely
to learn.
Yeah. So, I think these thoughts just came to me. It was in the afternoon, and my husband Bipin, he wasn't feeling very well, so he was just taking a nap. So I was just sitting alone, and मेरे mind में कुछ thoughts आने लगी, and I just started writing them down. और वो लिखते लिखते in 20 minutes I had like a poem, and I was like, what the hell, like seriously. So जब वो उठा and मैंने उसको शाम को सुना, he was like, you need to release this. This is really good. So I said, नहीं, तो मैंने ऐसे ही लिख दी है, पता नहीं मतलब ख्याल आ रहा था मन में. He's like, no. You have to build on this and you have to release it because this is very nice. So he's somebody who rarely compliments. Like he's not someone who will go wow, अरे वाह वाह क्या. He's a man of few words. तो जब उसने बोला कि ये तो मतलब this has to be released, तो मैंने कहा ये उसको ढंग का लग रहा होगा तभी उसने बोला है. So उसका जो premise है primarily is it starts like कवि नहीं हूं मैं, कविता नहीं लिख रही हूँ, बस रूह के दरवाजे खुले हैं अभी अभी, आंखें तो कब से खुली थी, नजरिया मिला है अभी अभी. आई थिंक हम लोग इतनी चीजें देखते हैं पर देखकर भी अंधे की कर देते हैं क्योंकि हमारी आंखों के आगे एक ऐसा पर्दा छाया हुआ है जो और चीजों का पर्दा है कि वी गेट कंज्यूम्ड बाय दोज अदर थिंग्स एंड वी डोंट रियली सी द रियलिटी दैट इज सराउंडिंग अस. देयर इज सच बिटर ट्रूथ्स दैट आर सराउंडिंग अस. सो उसमें है कि जैसे जो सामने है वो सच नहीं, जो भीतर है उसे जगाना है, भाग रहे हैं सब लोग पर होश नहीं कहाँ जाना है. सो ये छोटी छोटी सच्चाइयां हैं कि हम अपने आप को सजने संवारने में लगे रहते हैं पर हमें जो हमारी अंदर की सुंदरता है उसको तो हम बिल्कुल टाइम ही नहीं देते दिन में. we don't give time to ourselves, we don't give time to our soul, we don't feed our soul. We are constantly giving the best creams to our skin, the best shampoo to our hair, the best makeup on our face, but what are we feeding our soul? What are we doing to feed this guy who's sitting inside our conscious? Are we reading about spirituality? Are we evolving ourselves every day? Are we learning how to better our karma? How to be compassionate, how to be empathetic? That is food for soul. उस सोल को हम चारा नहीं दे रहे हैं. सो जो सामने है वो सच नहीं, ये तो मिट्टी है, ये चला जाएगा. जो लोग याद रखेंगे वो है आपकी सीरत, आपकी सूरत नहीं. वो तो चली
Absolutely.
जाएगी ऐसे ही, पर लोग आपको ऐसे याद करेंगे कि यार क्या क्या इंसान था, उसने इतनी हेल्प करी, अरे जब मैं फंस गया था तो ही वाज द ओनली वन जिसने मेरी हेल्प करी, अरे यार वो हर बारी जो जब बोलो यारों का यार था, जब बोलो ही वाज ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प। तो वो एक इंसानियत जो खत्म होती जा रही है, लोग सेल्फिश होते जा रहे हैं, लोग अपने लिए, अपने पर्सनल एजेंडाज, अपने पर्सनल मोटिव्स के लिए जीते जा रहे हैं। आई थिंक वो एक चीज है दैट नीड्स टू डेफिनेटली चेंज, एंड आई थिंक हम सब में एक सर्टन लेवल ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस तो आई है 100%। आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ दैट। अब हम उस पे कितना काम कर पाएंगे इज द क्वेश्चन।
Yeah, that is it. जब हम normal life में जाएंगे, all of us have evolved and changed, some for the good,
यस,
some for the bad. So
या,
how we maintain it and how we maintain
यस,
the growth is what is important
यस,
अब इसके
एब्सोल्युटली,
बाद.
एब्सोल्युटली,
So
एब्सोल्युटली,
everyone, you can go on her handle. She's
यस,
uploaded the poem. Please do read it, comment, share, because this is something which all of us are feeling right now. But thanks for
यस,
penning it down for us. क्योंकि
थैंक यू।
हम में वो पोएट नहीं है, एंड लाइक यू सर, आप भी कभी नहीं हो, बट एटलीस्ट व्हेन द थॉट केम यू डिड पेन इट डाउन. सो
अरे यार, तुम तो यू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ सो ब्यूटिफुली थ्रू आर्ट एंड थ्रू सो मेनी आर्टी ब्यूटिफुल क्रिएटिव थिंग्स। तो आई थिंक अगर झांको तो हर एक के अंदर कोई कला तो छुपी होती है श्वेता, उसको नर्चर करने की बात होती है। कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जो हम सीखना चाहते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, पर हमें टाइम ही नहीं मिलता वो सब चीजें करने के
वो
लिए।
डिसिप्लिन
सो
ही हम नहीं लाते हैं. दैट्स द
दिस
ओनली
जब
थिंग.
लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था तो मैंने किसी का एक पोस्टर पढ़ा था, somebody had posted on Instagram and it said that if after this lockdown is over, if you don't come out fitter, healthier, after learning a new skill, bettering your professional skill or whatever, then it was not time that you lacked, it was discipline that you lacked.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज
फिर
लाइक यू
हम
सेड,
कम हम्म,
हम सब में creativity है. Like, you were
yeah,
always fond of music, and it's only
yes,
when the discipline happened, you took the training, you
yes,
worked on your skills. So all of us
yes,
have it. It's just कि हमें एक
we have to
excuse है कि
find
यार
it.
time नहीं है.
We have to find it. And I think 99% लोग एक 9 से 5 की जिंदगी के पीछे भाग रहे हैं कि महीने के एंड में एक सैलरी मिलेगी, एंड मजबूरियां भी होती हैं, सबकी मजबूरियां होती हैं, करना पड़ता है, पापी पेट का सवाल है, ये सब सच डायलॉग है, ये एक्चुअली होता है। that the financial burdens are so much that you keep up with that life, that one has to be constantly at it। पर उस परस्यूट में ना, हम कितने लोगों से आप पूछोगे कि अरे आपका पैशन क्या है, या आप क्या करना आपको अच्छा लगता है, 99% लोग आपको बता नहीं पाएंगे कि उनका पैशन क्या है, उनको पता ही नहीं है। स्पेशली
हाँ,
विमेन,
क्योंकि
आप लेडीज
थॉट
से
तो
पूछ लो,
दिया ही
हाउस
नहीं है.
वाइफ्स कभी थॉट ही नहीं दिया है, क्योंकि कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला। रोटियां पकाना और बच्चों को स्कूल के लिए तैयार करना और फिर पति के के लिए काम करना, या इंसान जो हस्बैंड है या जो मेन फोक हैं, वो अपना काम पे जा रहे हैं, अपना जो भी सो दे डोंट हैव टाइम, इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या करनी है, और छुट्टी पे कहाँ जाना है, मम्मी पापा को किधर भेजना है, कैसे सेटल करना है, बच्चों की एजुकेशन का लोन कैसे लेना, उस सब के बीच में टाइम कहाँ मिल रहा है इंसान को और कुछ करने का, यू नो सो और ये हर घर और हर इंसान की लाइफ की स्ट्रगल की बात कर रही हूँ मैं। किसी की बड़ी स्ट्रगल है, किसी की छोटी स्ट्रगल है, लेकिन स्ट्रगल सब कर रहे हैं। देखने में लोगों को
एब्सोल्युटली.
लगता है कि अरे वाह, वो तो सो एंड सो कितना सेटल्ड है, या अरे वो सो एंड सो, उसकी इनसिक्योरिटी ज्यादा बड़ी है क्योंकि उसके पास ऑलरेडी इतना कुछ है कि वो और ज्यादा इनसिक्योर है कि मैं इसको बचाऊं कैसे, इसको मैं बढ़ाऊं कैसे। सो each one of us is struggling. How you cope with that struggle and what you make out of that struggle is what is important.
Absolutely, and I totally
Yeah.
second every word that you've said.
Yeah.
And now that we have just a few minutes before we sign out, क्योंकि इंस्टा हमें बोल देगा okay time up. But I am telling everyone, and I'm requesting you to come for another live session with us soon because there's still a lot that we want to
Yes,
talk. हमारी बातें
absolutely.
खत्म नहीं हुई है.
और इसी बात पे गाना हो जाए, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना, मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच कर जाना, टण टण, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना।
Thank you. But अब मैं आपको 4-5 questions पूछूंगी.
Okay,
Somewhat
okay.
like rapid fire. So whatever comes to your
Oh,
mind,
Okay.
And hamper will be a coffee post quarantine जब हम मिलेंगे.
Done. Done. Dalgona coffee पीनी है मुझे.
ठीक है, मैं खुद बनाऊंगी dalgona
Done.
coffee आपके
My
लिए. फिर वो
Masi is
अच्छी.
there. My Masi from Malaysia, who's a doctor, and she's been going to the hospital and working right now. One of the frontliners out there. Masi, we love you and thank you. And to all
Salute
the
to you,
doctors out
Masi,
there,
and all the
absolutely, who are
doctors.
taking care of all of us. Thank you.
So,
हाँ जी.
post quarantine, first place you want to go to?
Yes. To the Gurdwara, yaar. I'd like to thank the Almighty.
Totally.
कि सब ठीक हो जाए and जैसे as soon as travel gets okay, I'd like to go meet my parents. I'd like to go visit my parents and just give them big hugs and just want to tell them that I love them and life is so unpredictable and so short. I think lucky are those people who stay with their parents, who stay with their brothers, sisters. You know, हम बार बार यही सोचते हैं हस्बैंड एंड मी कि काश के इस टाइम में हम लोग अपने परिवार के साथ लॉकडाउन होते तो कितना मजा आता. हमारे हमारा पूरा खानदान, उसके पेरेंट्स, मेरे पेरेंट्स, हमारे भाई बहन, सबके बच्चे एक साथ. तो मतलब it would have been amazing. So I think that's the first thing I'm going to do.
There was a meme.
New in a really long life quarantine.
Oh, okay, perfect.
हाँ जी.
So there was this meme that was going around, a cartoon which said that यार friends और family भी तो essentials हैं. How do we manage without
So
it?
true. That is true. Actually, yeah. They come in essential commodities.
So post quarantine dalgona coffee तो done है.
Done है
Besides
जी.
that, which is if you had to make a cover or
हाँ जी.
perform on a song post quarantine,
Yes.
तो वो कौन सा गाना होगा?
I think I'd like to do तेरी मिट्टी.
क्या हम गा सकते हैं वो as a signing off song?
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, रुत बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में धुल जावा, तेरे खेतों में धुल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. ओ ओ ओ
Thank you. That was beautiful. And that's exactly what we are saying, that please let's love the Mother Earth even post quarantine.
Absolutely, absolutely. And thank you. And you're doing a wonderful job with getting so much entertainment for all the people who love you and are following you. So thank you. Keep doing this amazing work, Shweta. And thank you for having me on this show and on your
Thank you,
chat.
Tanaya.
Should I say bye?
Thank you for coming and joining us for our live chat.
See you. Thank you
And
so
see
much.
you
Thanks
soon.
all those people who joined us. And sorry we couldn't take all your comments or questions or all your names, but thank you for joining us and see you guys very soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.